How can you talk to me like that in front of so many people? Har baar disrespect. It's not done, yaar.
It was just a joke. I was trying to make people laugh.
No, this is not a joke. This is not a joke. You get it? When it's hurting your partner, it's not a fucking joke.
Don't touch me! Do not touch me again!
Do not use your phone when I'm talking to you.
How dare you? How dare you snatch my phone? How dare you? And you know what? I am tired of you and I don't care about you. I don't care about your stupid dog. I don't care about your stupid family. You stupid bitch! I just hope you die. I just hope you die! Fucking shit!
मुझको फिर जीना सिखा दे अकेला हूँ मैं तेरे